This is the #1 DIY mod every modern diesel ute owner should do.
Contaminated diesel is something you only usually think about in outback towns, but that's not the case. You can pick up dirty diesel just about anywhere, including big cities. Now, the way I protect all of my vehicles from contaminated diesel is by installing a pre-filter from Direction Plus. Quality pre-filter goes before the standard diesel filter in your four-wheel drive and captures water and particles that could potentially destroy your engine. The best thing about filters from Direction Plus is it's such an easy DIY fit. You can get a kit for just about every modern four-wheel drive that comes with everything you need to fit it, plus simple instructions. All you need is a couple of spanners and that's just about it. They're also the best quality kits on the market. If they don't have a kit for your model, Direction Plus has these universal kits that can adjust to fit just about any engine bay, even the Dirty 30. If you're looking for a must-do DIY that's really easy to do in your driveway, in fact it's an essential upgrade to every single four-wheel drive out there, it's got to be a pre-filter kit. And the fact that Direction Plus make a kit with everything you need in it, it means anyone can do it.